That is not normal.
A triple.
You just got chopped! Hey YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Jaden, back at again with another video. So starting this vlog off, we're in the white 03 again, and today we'll be going on a little cruise around the area to find some Christmas lights. But obviously right now it's the daytime, so I can't really look at the lights. So first we finna play some basketball, so I'll see you guys at the courts.
Sweet setup. Lonzo Ball. Give him a dime.
Yes.
Ball's taking it again. And Moore's got it. Yeah, he needed help and he found it. Lonzo Ball. Give him a dime.
Yes.
Lonzo Ball, corner three. Fills it up.
Rattles in for three.
A triple.
2 hours later.
Alright boys, so we're done playing ball at the courts right now, and I just found out that there's a car meet down at Fat Frank's. So we finna head down to Greenway and see if there's any hectic cars. But I still have this BMX bike in the back. But shout out to Dylan because he actually won the bike. I just need to figure out a time to give it to him. Last time I went to a car meet at Greenway, I got defected for window tints.
What are some of the window tints to that?
Rip.
Who owns this?
Back in the EP3. If you're an OG, you remember that video. How sad are the new COVID restrictions, just before Christmas as well? One of my family Christmas parties had to get cancelled. Like, I don't even care about the presents, but like the fact that we're not even allowed to see our own family, it's so sad. Hopefully it'll be over soon. Bro, that sounded so bad. Spend 100 grand on an AMG just for it to sound like that. Dude, there's an EP3 across the road. Bro, he gave me a head nod. Bro, what a SK. That's funny as, bro. I miss my EP3. I know that guy. How are you, bro? Scott, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, bro.
You been alright?
Yeah, not too bad. Haven't seen you at the gym recently,
Yeah,
bro.
I had a injury.
Oh, yeah? You've been out? You haven't been there for how long? A month?
Yeah, it's been fucked.
Yeah, thought I'd come down, bro, see the cars and
Yeah, get your free cheesesteak.
Yeah, that's it.
How are you, bro?
Hey, bro, what's up,
How you
Carl?
going?
Good, bro. Alright, let's unpark
see
up. Oof, did he say get your free cheesesteak? Oof, I'm down, bro. Alright, boys, so we're here. Let's see some hectic cars. Not bad, boys. That's pretty hot. Bro, and there's a Supra right there. That's clean. Oof. Look at these Civics right here. That's pretty clean, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. Look at this S2K.
You would have put a lot of money.
Yeah, that thing's not normal. Oof. That is not normal. The GDR S15.
I don't mind the
Oofed.
I don't like it underneath. There you go, man.
This Evo, that's tough. That's not normal. You gotta love Evos, bro. Another S2K. That's crazy. The new Yaris. But this GDR is so nice. Bro, even this GDR is nice. That's pretty clean, bro. I don't know, boys. I don't like vlogging in public. It's so awkward. But I guess they're just gonna see it online anyway. Here's a white 03. Filthier than ever. And then there's another Sportive over here. Blue 05, brother. Got Runex taillights and everything. I can't get over this S2K. Those T37s look so hot. What, bar 53?
Yeah.
Do I need a bar 53? Yeah, right.
Because it depends on what day.
Alright, we can go there then.
We'll go suss it out. If they've got nothing good, then we'll just go back up the street.
Alright, yeah, no worries.
We'll
Alright.
go suss out the girls as well.
Alright, bro. Alright, I'll see you soon then. Alright, bye. Alright, boys, I think it's time to jet now. There's not too many new cars rocking up. So I finna go Canley Heights and meet up with Richie. And then we finna go look at some Christmas lights.
1 hour later.
Alright, boys, so it's finally time to look for some Christmas lights. My mate Richie in the silver 05 behind me. So we finna head down to the area and hopefully find some lights. He just got chopped! The white 03 is undefeated amongst Sportivos. Richie just got chopped with a BMX bike in the back. Alright, boys, so we just made it to the road that has all the Christmas lights. So, yeah, I don't know what else to say, bro. Merry Christmas. But we finna pull up, find a spot, and, yeah, look at some Christmas lights. Bro, yellow. Bro, who's calling me, bro? It's kind of awkward. Look, it's my Aussie mates. Lockie!
Hey, what's going on, man?
What's going on, bro? This is Christmas. We got some random yard, bro. Luke Newcomb! Say what's up to the vlog. What is this guy doing?
Yeah, I will.
These bloody Aussies. Oh, can you just run it straight for the vlog? The old Luke would have done it. Get out of here, Nicole. You're not going to be in the vlog. This is the only famous Christmas lighthouse now. What a house. Santa Claus, he said. Doesn't have much time left. Bit of an electricity bill for him, bro. Hey, this house is alright. Not as good as the other one, but... Look, kangaroos, bro. It's Christmas in Australia. Oof, this is a nice house. Getting into the Christmas spirit. So it's pretty much 2 AM right now, so it's currently Christmas Eve. So I'm wishing you guys all a Merry Christmas. Hope you all stay safe and enjoy your time with your family. But that's all I have for today's video, so if you enjoyed, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe if you're new, and maybe leave a comment down below. Till next time, guys. Peace.
Why you only say you love me when you're high? It's like we go through the same shit every night. You always swear that shit's gonna change, but